Palace of the Uni of Ife has reported criminally minded persons behind trending malicious posts in the social media to security authorities. This is sequel to series of false and malicious contents posted on an anonymous blog on X, formerly Twitter, associating the respected Uni Adeyeye Ogunwusi with series of undignifying practices. The statement notes that while the Arole Odujuwa had in a press statement few days ago enlightened Nigerians that it was a fabrication of lies aimed at rubbishing his image and personality, it is important to equally re-echo that he, the Uni, does not interface with anyone whosoever via the social media and do not have proxies doing so. The palace have already reported the matter, which has proven to be a clear case of blackmail to security authorities to unravel and indeed deal with those behind it according to the law. Beyond the lies and attempted blackmail, there is a clear case of perjury, particularly the publication and circulation of a fake document with a badly scanned signature of His Majesty to support their demonic lies. This is no joke, and we are confident that the criminals will soon be unmasked and brought to book according to the law. In the same vein, the palace wish to state unequivocally that the palace and the Uni in person have not engaged any particular individual or a group of people to interface with the suspected blackmailers, warning that anyone found doing so will be reported to security agencies as an accomplice in the said crime. This particularly is a direct message to one Ms. Folabi da Silva, who is reported in the internet to be in constant touch with the blackmailers under the guise of interfacing/soliciting on behalf of the Uni. While the solidarity concerns of lovers of the Uni and well-meaning Nigerians are here well appreciated, it is an open fact that these characters, including Ms. Folabi da Silva, are not officials of the palace and were not approved to act as reported. The entire public is hereby informed that anyone caught, regardless his or her personal/privileged connection or relationship with the palace/Uni, making such or other unsolicited interventions without being so permitted by the Uni's palace, will be treated as a member of the international blackmailing syndicate. Anyone with good intentions to genuinely offer assistance capable of unraveling the mystery behind inordinate activities of these criminals, the so-called victim, Ms. Fagbule, her sponsored ex-social media handler called 99% Oppressed, also known as Pitam Nigeria, should please approach the security agencies or the Uni's palace at Ile Ife with viable information.